Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. My name is Chris Jaggs, and here is your quote for today. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because her trust is not on the branch, but on its own wings. Always believe in yourself. Trusting in your own ability. If birds can trust in their own ability to be able to fly if a branch breaks, why can't you? What makes the concept of believing in yourself to do whatever it is that you want to become a reality? That is so different from a bird potentially falling to its own death. Maybe it's a bit extreme, but isn't it now time to finally make your own leap of faith and believe in yourself?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.